Imagine spending more on maintenance than on the equipment itself. Overdoing preventive maintenance can inflate costs and introduce new risks. Let's explore how excessive maintenance leads to unnecessary labor and downtime. Finding the right maintenance quantity is crucial for reliability and cost efficiency. Too much maintenance can cause premature wear, while too little risks failures. Striking the right balance is key. Relying solely on manufacturer recommendations can be misleading. Instead, use operational data to optimize maintenance intervals. Analyze mean time between failures, MTBF, to adjust schedules effectively. Condition-based monitoring ensures maintenance is performed only when necessary. By integrating sensor data, you can shift from time-based to condition-based maintenance, optimizing resources. Manual scheduling of work orders is time-consuming and error-prone. Modern CMS solutions automate work order generation, reducing administrative overhead and enhancing efficiency. Consolidating tasks into comprehensive work orders minimizes paperwork. This streamlined process allows maintenance teams to be more productive with fewer, higher-quality work orders. CMS centralizes asset management, maintenance history, and performance data. Automated scheduling eliminates overlapping work orders, providing a clear view of necessary tasks. A robust CMS ensures efficient maintenance by consolidating work orders. This prevents wasted effort and ensures every action contributes to asset health. The goal is to balance reliability with cost, not just increase maintenance frequency. Modern CMMS like ManWinWin streamlines planning and execution of PM schedules. Intelligent consolidation of work orders provides clarity and efficiency. By leveraging CMMS, you manage maintenance frequencies with a single comprehensive work order. Doing more isn't the answer, doing it smarter is. Achieve true preventive maintenance optimization with clarity and efficiency by leveraging modern CMMS solutions. Take action today. Implement a CMMS to streamline your maintenance processes and optimize your preventive maintenance program. Together, let's achieve the perfect balance.